We'll guide you through how to use Find and Replace in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Docs document where you want to make the changes. Click on the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Find and Replace. A small box will appear in the top right corner of your document. In the Find field, type the word or phrase you're looking to replace. Then, in the Replace with field, you should type the new word or phrase you want to use. If you want to replace all instances of the word or phrase, click on Replace All. This is a real time saver if you have multiple instances to change. If you're only looking to replace them one at a time, simply click Next to find the next instance. Then Replace if you want to swap it out. A great tip is to check the Match Case box if you want to ensure that only words with the exact same capitalization are replaced. This can be really useful if you're dealing with proper nouns or specific terms. Once you're done, you can close the Find and Replace box by clicking the X in the corner. This tool is incredibly useful for making quick edits across your document without having to manually search through everything. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.